We've all been there. You buy the best seeds, you sit back and wait, and then nothing. Today, we're looking at a gardening disaster. This was supposed to be my lemon cherry gelato crossed with Grandpa's Cookies No. 6 mother, but instead of a seedling, I've got a sponge. This is my biggest seed starting failure this season, and today, we're going to talk about exactly why this happens to help you avoid it in your grow. Root Riot cubes are fantastic because they have a great air-to-water ratio, but they aren't foolproof. Let's have a look at this seed. We're just going to pull this apart. The seed hasn't even cracked, or maybe it started to and then just turned into mush. There are usually 4 main culprits when a seed fails in a plug like this. The drowning effect. Starter cubes come pre-moistened, but if you soak them and don't squeeze out the excess, you're literally drowning the seed. Seeds need oxygen to wake up. The depth problem. If you drop the seed too deep into that pre-drilled hole, it can get lost or struggle to reach the surface before its energy reserves run out. The age problem. Sometimes it's not you, it's the seed. If your genetics are old or were stored in a hot drawer, the germination rate drops off a cliff. The bad luck problem. Sometimes you just get a bad seed and nothing you could have done would have made it germinate. Let's get technical for a second. Why do seeds fail? Damping off. This is the silent killer. It's a soilborne fungus, like Pythium, that loves high humidity and stagnant air. If your dome is too tight and there's no airflow, the fungus eats the stem before the leaf even sees the light. Temperature shock. Most of what we grow in hydro, peppers, tomatoes, and specialty crops, want it between 75 and 80 degrees. If your tray is sitting on a cold basement floor, that seed is just going to sit there and rot. On the flip side, if your heat mat is malfunctioning and hits 95 degrees, you've just cooked your harvest. The shell is too tough. Some seeds have such a thick outer coating that they need a pre-soak. If they can't absorb water through that shell, the biological start button never gets pushed. So, how do we fix it? Here's the Show Me Hydro checklist for a 99% success rate. The sponge test. When using starter cubes or rock wool, give it a gentle squeeze. It should feel like a wrung-out sponge, damp to the touch, but not dripping when you hold it. Orientation matters. Always try to plant the pointy end down. That's where the first root emerges. Making the plant do a U-turn costed energy it might not have. Air is your friend. Use a humidity dome, but flip the vents open after the first 24 hours. You want humidity, not a swamp. The hydrogen peroxide trick. If you are worried about old seeds or pathogens, a quick 30-minute soak in a weak H2O2 solution can help soften the shell and kill off fungus spores before they start. Failure is just a data point in gardening. This cube was a disaster, but the lessons learned mean the next tray will be perfect. Have you had a gardening disaster recently? What happened and how did you fix it? What tricks do you use to guarantee germination? What seeds have you recently germinated? Let us know down in the comments. Don't forget to hit that like button if this helped you troubleshoot your tray, and subscribe to Show Me Hydro for more deep dives into the science of growing. Keep those plants hydrated, those roots white, and I'll see you next time here on Show Me Hydro. Would you like to support the channel? Head on over to patreon.com/showmehydro to get all the garden updates, early video previews, harvest watch photos, and behind-the-scenes content you won't find anywhere else. Do you want to see what I'm growing? Join us over on Twitch at twitch.tv/showmehydro. You'll be able to see what's happening in the grow tents 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. You can even control the view yourself with chat commands. The live stream can also be viewed on the new Show Me Hydro Live YouTube channel, as well as Kick and Rumble if you prefer those platforms. So join us live from the grow tent. I hope to see you there. If you enjoyed this video, remember to click that like button and subscribe.